Here I've got Nokia 8000 Duo, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now open personalization, go a bit lower and click on input methods. And now just click on input languages and smoothly select the one that you would like to have your keyboard in. So as you can see here, you've got wide list of languages. Let me choose, for example, this one, and now you'll be able to use this language. So that would be all. Obviously you can unmark unnecessary languages if you would like to leave just one. So now you can also switch off Russian because it was activated as well. And now as you can see, you've got just one language applied. Okay, so it's still English around. Give it a couple of seconds to apply. Here it is. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.